party.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it.
Where's Crystal? She's so cute. We got to get. Y'all see? And here's the before. This is now. Two of y'all gonna see it after.
It started with a handshake, baby. I'ma need more than a hug. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say nah. Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say yeah.
Y'all, let's get into the outfit real quick. This is a two-piece gray little, I don't know. I don't want to call it a sweatsuit. It's not a sweatsuit, but just short set. Two-piece short set. And it's giving body. Love it.
If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you.
So unfortunately, I didn't get to record the entire thing. My phone had died. I assumed the charger in my car was working. Unfortunately, the charger had a shortage in it. So I plugged my phone up in the car, and lo and behold, my phone was never charging the entire time. So I did not get to vlog the entire experience for you guys. I'm so sorry about that. I tried. I went back out to the car to get my phone, and of course it was not charging. The experience was wonderful. Afterwards was insane. I ended up getting lost. I did not know this was my first time at the actual salon, so I ended up getting lost because I had to find my way home without the GPS. And I ended up in another town. I had to stop at a gas station and ask for directions. Like, this day was literally insane. I didn't get home till almost 10 o'clock. I want to say like 9:30-ish. But yeah, literally insane and freaking scary. But my hair turned out great. Okay, you guys, so the wind literally just blew my hair to all over the place. But here is a 1 week update from my sew-in. So hey you guys, this is a 1 week update from my sew-in. It still looks really good, as you can see. Let's get into it, the details. But yeah, so it still looks really good. I did kind of revamp it a little bit. Like, I did wash it and recurl it a little bit because I was styling it and I put some product in it, so it made it heavy. So I kind of like wanted to wash some of the stuff out. But yeah, this is a 1 week update. Again, my girl's information will be in the description box below. Go follow her on Instagram. So she will be adding the services pretty soon. So yeah, so don't miss out. Summertime is coming, honey. Humidity, natural hair girlies already know my pain. Y'all seen the Houston vlog. Well, y'all will see the Houston vlog. Y'all seen the Punta Cana vlog. I'm not taking any chances this summer with walking around looking crazy with my hair just poofed up because I got a freaking silk press. The humidity is not playing with me. It snatched me right on up. And I'm just like, I'm on vacation right now. What is this? Like, so yeah. It will be a clip-in summer and a sew-in summer for me. I'm just putting the girls on. But you guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I am out. I gotta get my nails done now. Hair, check. Nails, next. So, yeah. Bye. Oh, and shout out to my girl, Crystal, for this bomb motherfucking sew-in. Okay, she put her whole entire foot, body, soul, mind, and spirit into this sew-in because everybody be like, yo, that's your hair, because it just looks so realistic. And one thing about me, I like everything I do to be, and I like everything that I'm wearing is hair, nails to look good. I don't want to be looking crazy walking out the door with a track showing in the back. Like, I just don't do that. I like my stuff to look good, and I want to look like this is my hair. I want it to look that natural and realistic. If it don't, I don't want it. I'm not going to set myself up like that. No. So she did a wonderful job, but like ate this down. The best sewing I ever had. Period. Like, people cannot tell the difference, and that's how I like it. Look. I mean, just look for yourself. Just take a look for yourself. Like, are y'all seeing that? Are y'all seeing that? Because are y'all seeing this? Like, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are y'all seeing that? Are you seeing what I'm talking about? Like, yeah, she ate this one down real quick. And I could put it all in a ponytail and it still looks just as good. So yeah. Thank you, girl. You ate that.